Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, did you know that a leaking toilet can lose up to 2,000 litres of water per day? Well, that's not only a huge waste of money, but also a huge waste of precious resources. Well, here's what to look out for to see if your toilet might be leaking. Listen for any running water noises, a faint trickling or hissing sound. Sometimes water might be running out of your cistern silently, making detection very difficult. So I suggest doing the color test. Put 20 to 25 drops of food coloring into your cistern. That should give you enough color in the water to give you a good test result. Wait 15 to 25 minutes and then check the toilet bowl for any coloring. If the water is clear, then you're good to go and the test is complete. But if the water shows any sign of coloring, then you have a leak that requires attention. You have two choices. Visit your local builders for more advice on parts that you might require, or get a licensed professional plumber out, or just use our Builders Get It Done app.